Hi friends, in today's video we are dealing with a logarithmic equation. The given equation is x plus 1 multiplied by logarithm of x squared minus x minus 5 equal to 0. So we have two terms in the equation. One is x plus 1, the other is logarithm of a quadratic expression. So when you have product of two terms being equal to 0, the meaning of that is either the first term, that is x plus 1 equal to 0, or the second term equal to 0. This is the first thing you can infer from the equation. Now using the first part, rather the first term being 0, we get a solution instantaneously. Taking 1 to the right side, it becomes minus 1. So this is a possible solution. Now let's go to the other term and we will solve the second part of the equation. That is logarithm of x squared minus x minus 5 equal to 0. So when you have logarithm of a number equal to 0, what does it mean? There is no base given in the logarithm. That means any base is possible here, base figure. We will apply a simple rule in logarithm, or even I should say the basic definition of logarithm. If I say the logarithm of a number to any base equal to 0, this implies what? See, by definition of logarithm, this is nothing but m equal to a power 0 and a power 0 equal to 1. That means if logarithm of a number is given to be 0, then that number has to be 1. That is the meaning of this. Doesn't matter what the base figure is. The base, as you know, is a positive real number with the exception of a being 1. That is another area of logarithmic rules. We don't really need to apply those ideas of the base figure being not equal to 1. The first point, that means logarithm of m to the base equal to 0 implies m is equal to 1. Apply that here, then this algebraic expression is equal to 1. This is all I wanted to show to you. Now let's further simplify this quadratic equation. Take 1 to the left side. You will have this one, and that implies x squared minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Now we got a quadratic equation. By solving this quadratic equation, we will possibly have two more roots. So let's solve this. You can use either factorization method or formula method. This is a simple quadratic equation. The coefficients are small numbers and you can easily factorize the middle term like this: x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. I hope you understand what I did. I'm splitting coefficient minus 1 into two numbers, minus 3 and plus 2, so that their sum will be minus 1. And if you take the product of these two, it's minus 6, which is minus 6 into this one. That is the way to split this in factorization method. Now this implies, using the first two term, you can see x being common, which I am taking outside. Inside you get x minus 3 plus, in the next two terms, 2 is common. I am taking it outside. Inside you have 2 multiplied by x minus 3 equal to 0. This implies x minus 3 common, which I am taking outside. Inside you have this x and this plus 2. So the given quadratic we have factorized into two linear polynomials, x minus 3 and x plus 2. And this implies what? X minus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. This implies, taking 3 to the other side, x equal to 3, or taking 2 to the right side, x equal to minus 2. So we got two more solutions for the whole equation. Actually, these are the solutions of this quadratic equation and they are the solutions of the given equation. So basically, you have found out three solutions or roots: minus 1, 3 and minus 2. Now let's substitute these three roots in the basic equation given to you. The basic equation is this: x plus 1 multiplied by logarithm of x squared minus x minus 5 equal to 0. This is the basic equation and the roots are found to be minus 1, 3 and minus 2. Take the first one, x equal to minus 1. Yeah, when plugging in x equal to minus 1, this will be 0. That's fine. Now when you come to the next term, see second term, logarithm of minus 1, the whole to the power of 2, then minus, this minus, x is minus 1, then minus 1. Let us simplify this further. Minus 1 to the power of 2 is plus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, as you know, is plus 1. Then minus minus 1, that will be plus 1. Then there comes minus 5. This on simplification, you will have minus 3. So what do you observe here? Logarithm of a negative number. As you know, logarithm is defined only for positive numbers. There is no logarithm defined for a negative number. So x equal to minus 1 is an absurd solution. So we will reject x equal to minus 1. This is not to be accepted. Now if you do the same substitution, 3 and minus 2 here in this equation, what do you have? Log 3 square minus 3 minus 5. This is log 9 minus 3 minus 5. This is equal to log 9 minus 8, which is 1. And we know logarithm of 1, 0. So we are getting it verified. So this is the correct solution. Now let's take the next case. Minus 2 the whole square minus minus 2 minus 5. This on simplification, log minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, that is the meaning of minus 2 the whole to the power 2, which will be 4. Then minus minus 2, that will be plus 2. Then there is minus 5. What is this? 6 minus 5, which is again logarithm of 1, which as we know is 0. So that is also found to be true. So this is also a correct solution. So basically what do you conclude? There are only two solutions and the solutions are plus 3 and minus 2. These are the only two solutions. That's all. If you have any further point to be clarified, leave your remarks in the comment section. And if you like the video, please press the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that you'll be getting many more interesting and challenging problems with smart solutions. If you think this video is useful to others, please share it. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be getting notifications of problems of this kind in future. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.